Hey everybody, XJoe81X, and on today's Joe's Stationery Store video, it's going to be a Casio Mini Electric Calculator. Memory. It's been used, it's broken in a sense, and we're going to be looking at this. Now sometimes I take out my stuff and I make a video, or before I like to see if it's working or if it needs batteries, or I kind of cheat. So this way you get the best content available. Something like this, I'm in the middle of making a bunch of videos. If you haven't realized already, all the backdrops are the same and my voice is the same. So I'm going to open this fresh. I don't know anything about it. I don't know if there's batteries in it. I don't know if it works. Let's see. If I do not have batteries, well, then at least it's a quick video as far as what this is. This is made in Japan. Casio, I think, was always made in Japan. Here's a serial number. Tape, so it's been around. It's pretty plain. Okay, we're going to open it, and this is what I love. This was in my family. I don't know exactly who, what, when, where, but you took it and you needed a piece of paper and you didn't have it, and you also had a calculator. So you need to write down 6,000, half of 6,000, and then you went underneath, I'm sorry. And then I did, 3,000, this could be for anything, $5, this, So we'll get a look at this later. Comes in a nice leather case, just like your eyeglasses. Look, it's stamped, made in Japan. They don't do any of this crap anymore. We'll take a quick look at that later. This is sealed inside, comes out. There you go. So it's protective, probably only because this is, something you don't want to break. But it's like almost like shipping material. It's like shipped already. Isn't that great? I want to say that if I can guess, that there was probably a side flap here, a side flap here, and a front flap, and it probably just went in right here and right here. You see? Probably a little whatever. So over the years, whatever. But the best part is this is kept. We'll set that aside. So we're going to take a quick look at this, make sure that there's nothing here that I could care about. So we have a Casio, listen to me. We have a Casio registration card. Oh, wow. 12/11/1974. That is 40 years ago. Nope. I'm 81 and I'm 43. And 50? Yeah, 50 years ago? Because we're in 2025? Is that 50 years ago? I am so sorry. Maybe I should take the calculator out and do the math. Okay. This is my grandmother's handwriting. This is her. She sent this out and she wrote up here that she sent it to Casio. This was probably a warranty. Oh man, this is like when you did stuff. Like, oh, it broke. Okay, we have your card right here. She paid for it. It was $39.95 plus the tax was $340, $320. Came out to $43.15 plus something in tax. I don't know what that was again. It came out to $48. And you got a car. It came out to $48. Maybe it came with stuff. I don't know. Purchased from Fifth Avenue Electronics and Music at 545 something in New York City. Lefferts, I don't know. I'm sure I could Google that. I don't know if it's still in production. And it was sent to Casio in New York, New York. Oh no. Oh man, look at that, everybody. Where was that sent to? That was sent to One World Trade Center. There was a Casio warranty section in One World Trade Center, and this was done in 1974. That is so sad. Moving right along, this is going to be exactly how to operate it, to turn off the alarm, to stop the alarm. I'm sure there's other functions here. Okay, cool. It's a multifunction talking. Oh, geez. I'm going to have the battery work. Multifunction talking calculator. You could set the time and the alarm. Wow, this is something that you probably would keep on your desk and use. There's a memory one and a root M. And they look like the same picture. Nope, this says memory right where my thumb is, and this says root M. So maybe that means a root memory. Printed in Japan. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Never saw that logo before. Always saw it like this. All right, just real quick. Nothing to lose sleep over here. And we have dry battery operation. Oh, AC operation. If you are in a 117 volt area, not 120. I do have a Casio plug in the drawer behind me. I just didn't know where it was for, so I will get that momentarily. Oh man, this basic functions. Again, I'm not gonna like totally make a 2-hour video on this. I'm just showing you calculation with content with a constant. Stupid. I should actually go back to school. Square to the power to the so-and-so. Wow, it does a lot of things, or teaches you how to do it. Example. They're giving you examples. Direct access to the memory. Percentage. 8. Oh, it gives, this is the number, sorry. Square foot calculation. You take example, you take the square footage. Oh, Jesus. Specifications. Wow, this is maybe what you guys want to see. Different voltage, dimensions, height, and weight. And how do you care for it? Wow, let's take this thing out, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take it out. Oh, man, it's still... Oh, that smells vintage. That leather, oh, man, that's like your father's eyeglass case. Not so much the inside. Holy moly, pocket full of posy. We're just going to touch it. And we're going to say T on. Nothing works. This is, I don't know, Jay, I know that you like all this stuff. Is this a vacuum fluorescent? Please correct me. Okay. We'll check the AC power. It says right here to recheck that batteries. They didn't spell the word out. They put a dash and are set correctly. Mini memory. It says push out. No. Okay, well, I thought there were batteries in here. That's common. It's okay. It takes 4 double A's, and the last 2 double A's were in there a little bit too long. But look at that, huh? Ooh, sound division. That's a hefty son of a bitch, huh? AC. Let's see. Come on now. Come on, feel the noise. Made in USA. Casio, nothing else here. Might as well open it and show you what's in there. Nothing else. Oh man, look at that. That's like finding like a classic car in a garage. Look at that. Casio. Should have like this like cut out and make like an intro. Ring. Casio. And then like turn it like this. So like the light above me, it's like ring. Casio. Whoa! Printed in white so JK18 could see it. Made in the United States. It is 120 volts, 8 watts. This is the bottom. It's not polarized. And we're going to plug it in. We're going to see if it actually plugs in before I plug it in so it doesn't break. Oh yeah, that's meant for this application. Okay. Oh, this is so, look. Oh yeah, it's gonna blow up. We're going to open this up for video purposes. Look at that, this is a real one. A real twist tie. Like back in the day when you got bread. Solid, not plastic. Well, it's plastic, but not the nylon one. We're gonna plug it right in. We're going to go live. Back left corner, everybody. Let me get the glare out of the screen. Oh, my Lord. On T. So, oh, torque maybe? Eight plus 8 equals 16. So, torque? Oh, right here? Play? I'm going to shut the upper light. Okay, we'll go back to here. Play. Talk. Which, it might not be talk. I'm just off. Okay. 5 plus 5 equals. Ooh. The bottom. 8. No, it has an 8. But it doesn't like the 0 when I do a 10. 5 plus 5. Ooh, so there's a red equal up here. That might be for memory. And there's a bottom one. 2 times 2. Nope. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 2, red equals 4. See, it's like, bzz. There's no play button here. I'm going to hit pause on the camera, and I want to see how it talks. Why did I say it talks? I don't know why I said that. Anyway, just for purposes, the T position. At the on position, it performs all calculations not required at total storage. To use the memory, slide the switch to the right until the T appears. So T doesn't mean talk. It just means total storage. There's a readout, decimals, function command, equal, blah, 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 blah. Why did I say this spoke? Wait, when did I say that? Basic example. Overflow and key lock. Anyway, whatever. Again, let's just look at this. 17. Let's just, how about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it goes up to 8 with a period. Wow, look at that, huh? You guys want to see that? Look at that. Oh, man, that's awesome. It's like an old alarm clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Look at that, huh? 120. Ah, zeros are low. 120 times 50 equals 6,000. 8.625%. Well, 120 divided by 8.625% is $13. Does that make sense? $13 plus 120, $13.91. So would you do can't go back. Where's the point? Oh. So 120 plus 13.91 equals $133. Is that how you do tax? But anyway, why did I think this spoke? 789. No, it's a little wonky. That's pretty cool. Power. We have power. You could put the batteries in it, but hey, that's going to wrap this up. And this was the Casio Mini Electric Calculator. And it was advertised as memory. I'm sure it meant something back in the day. Again, it didn't say talking. I don't know why. Maybe it's time to take a break. Thank you for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next stationary video.